PNP Chief Ronald De La Rosa cautions the public against speculations on the stabbing incident inside the New Bilibid prison in Muntinlupa City. He says it is better to wait for the results of the ongoing and thorough investigation on the incident. More details from Sweden, Velado.
4 suspects are being linked to the prison riot on Wednesday, where high-profile inmate Tony Ko was killed and 3 others, namely Peter Ko, Vincent C., and JB Sebastian, were injured. Based on the Philippine National Police initial report,
initially, yung tinatanggap natin na version doon is yung version na sinasabi ng DOJ, which was contained in the report of the Bucor. Na yun nga, may patsisyon daw nangyari. Sinita nung isang inmate, nagalit yung mga insik, inatake yung nagsita, di nagkakaroon na ng rambulan. Ngayong umaga, kausap ko yung director ng CIDJ, itry namin na makuha yung 4 doon na suspects, kung pwede madala dito sa Krame para doon namin kunan ng testimonies nila, kung para malaman talaga yung katotohanan. But wino-work out pa nila ngayon ng director ng CIDJ.
According to De La Rosa, it would be better to wait for the complete results of the investigation first, rather than speculate theories that the riot was only planted to kill JB Sebastian. The high-profile inmate's testimony on his real relationship with Senator Laila De Lima, should he testify before the House hearing, could strengthen the case of Justice Secretary Vitaliano Aguirre's camp against the senator. De Lima currently faces controversies for her alleged involvement in Bilibid's illegal drug trade. Meanwhile, PNP Chief De La Rosa shared why they have not yet lifted the state of lawlessness in the country.
So far, yung threat kasi natin sa ngayon ay nalilink doon sa ating war on drugs. Kaya hanggat relentless yung ating war on drugs, hindi pa rin natin masabi na mawawala yung threat natin. So, as of now, I cannot give advice to the President na i-lift yung state of lawlessness.
De La Rosa again reminded the police not to get involved in illegal drugs to avoid tokbang.
Right away, kinakanta ng kuan yun, ng investigation ng ating Internal Affairs Service. Hindi na yung tutukhang. Pulis na yun eh. Bakit yung pa itutukhang yun? Dapat tokbang na yun, tokbang. Katok tapos bang. Dapat gano'n na yun. Mga pulis yun eh. Dapat matino sila. Hindi sila dapat involved sa drugs.
For the PTV News, Sweden, Velado.